In this video, we are going to see how we can book the credit sales in Teleprime. As you can see here in this transaction on 12th January, it says credit sales to Mr. Walter of Prius rear lights, and we are selling them 10 items at the rate of 280, and this is our credit sale. So let's see how we can book this. Now, first of all, from the gateway of Tele, I'll just go to the vouchers, and on the right hand side, I can switch between any voucher. So let's say I want to pick up the sales voucher. The code or the short key is F8, or otherwise you can just directly click here as well. So now I am in the sales voucher. The party name is Mr. Walter. I'll just write W here and it will show us the name. Just put here, and if we want to mention the other advanced details like all the dispatch details, where it is going, where the order is going, bill of lading, motor vehicles that is carrying the delivery, and delivery node, etc. You can mention all the advanced information here, but if you don't have it, you can just skip through this part and the party details as well. Now the sales ledger is already defined here. Just select that, and we are selling Prius rear lights. Quantity is 10, rate is 280. Now why it is not suggesting the rate? That's because we are making the sales for this particular item for the first time. So that's why 280. This makes the total to 2800. And this is against a new reference. So we can write any reference number of the invoice number. This is basically the invoice number. And narration at the bottom, we can just copy and paste this narration. Paste this narration right here and press Ctrl A. And if we want to check the entries, we can go to the display more reports from the gateway of Tele, and under here we go to daybook, and there we can see all of our transaction and Mr. Walter transaction here as well. If you don't see any of the transaction, you can just go to the date option, click on this arrow sign and select the period from, let's say, 1st of January till 31st January, and select any relevant period, and then you should be able to check the transaction. If you ever want to open any particular transaction, just select that transaction, open it up, and you are good to go. You can make any kind of alteration. So this is how you can book the sales invoice on credit in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.